Find the equation of the line that is tangent to the graph of the given function at the specified point. The point is x equals 4. And I want to find the equation of the tangent line. Now I'll find the equation of the tangent line. I'll need the slope of the tangent at x equal 4, and I'll need a point. X equal 4, and I don't know what the y value is, it would be f of 4, whatever that comes out to be. But in order to find an equation of the line, I need the slope, and I need a point. The slope is calculus, the point is algebra, the line is algebra. So let's go after the slope. The problem itself is f of x equals x cubed plus the square root of x. Square root of x is just x to the 1/2 power. The slope of the tangent at any point x is f prime of x. That's the slope of the tangent. Well, what's the derivative of x cubed? 3x squared. What's the derivative of x to the 1/2? 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. So I now have, you give me an x value, I can come up with a number, and that number is the slope of the line at that point. And let me simplify this. So f prime of x is 3x squared plus 1/2 times 1 over x to the 1/2, which happens to be the square root of x. So that at x equals 4, f prime of 4 is 3 times 4 squared plus 1/2 times 1 over the square root of 4, which is 3 times 16 plus 1/2 times 1 over the square root of 4 is 2, which is 48 plus 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4, 48 and 1/4, or 48.25, that'll work. You can make it a mixed number, or you can make it an improper fraction if you want. Numbers are too big for me. But now, what is this guy? He is the slope of the tangent at x equal 4. It's very steep. It's very steep. You think of a slope of 48 that says for every 1 unit you go on the x, it's going to go up 48 units on the y. So that's a pretty steep slope. So it's going to rise pretty fast. So I've got part of what I need. So the slope of the tangent is 48.25. I need to know what f of 4 is. F of 4 is 4 cubed plus the square root of 4, which is 64 plus 2, or 66. So now I've got it. The slope of the tangent is 48.25. The point is 466. Given the slope and the point, I can find the equation of the line, correct? So that says that y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. y minus 66 equals 48.25 times x minus 4. Perfectly good answer until you know what you're going to do with it. Nothing wrong with that answer. However, if I wanted to put it in slope-intercept form, y minus 66 equals 48.25x minus 4 times 48.25 is 193. Add 66 to both sides. 48.25 minus 127. Now that's in slope-intercept form. Now I don't know about you. If all I had to do is find an equation for the tangent line, I'd stop here. Unless you use a different method to find the equation of the line. You can use the slope-intercept method. If you do that, you'll end up here. Doesn't matter either way.